We gotta go! Just look at it.
You got something going on, cancel it. I'm Joe with Treadmill Heroes. For the past 14 years, we've been working hard in the workout business. Welcome to the Wrench Press.
Hey guys, I'm Katie, and this is Layla, and here at Treadmill Heroes, I do all of the scheduling for the service techs and the delivery guys. What's up, brothers? We have a really busy week here at Treadmill Heroes, but first, let's check out what Chino's doing.
Yeah, looks like something's going on in that back left corner there. We'll take a look at. Yeah, the rear roller bolt here sheared. There's supposed to be a bolt that holds this roller to kind of tension it, and I don't feel it at all going through the roller here. First thread. So I have seen that before, but we'll get a little bit stronger bolt there and replace it, and yeah, you won't have to deal with that again. So you have a good rest of your day.
Hey, before you go running off, will you fix that elliptical or look at it that guy dropped off so we get it fixed?
I will, but I got like a million things going on, but I promise I'm gonna look at it.
Now we're off to Dubuque for the Crocus Foundation flooring job.
Okay, so we got to kick off day 2 here of the Crocus Foundation flooring job before we can bring in all the equipment. Yesterday went really well. Now we're at Save Big Money at Menards. We got to pick up some floor transitions to go from the rubber floor to the turf. And I just remember Dane ripped the door handle off this truck. So to get in and out, so jank. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Holy smokes. I need 8. They have 8. This was all just a cement floor yesterday. It's already looking better. Oh boy. Oh.
Checking back in with Chino at his second service call.
I'm going to be working on a Nordic track, and we're going to be doing some drive belts on it. Shouldn't be too hard. I know Nordic tracks are kind of a pain to get into with all their plastics. I like to tell people they're like a bank vault.
Let's head back to Crocus.
Because this is a pretty deep cavity here. Let's do a little trimming.
Putting in.
Yeah. Just look at it.
Wow, perfection.
Man.
Joe.
Almost like I'm a mutant with laser cutters.
I mean, look at this. You would.
It's like frosting a cake. Yeah. But that'll look
So this facility is going to be hosting multiple cancer patients. We're going to be working with them day in and day out to improve their quality of life, and we're really excited to get them in here and see what we can do.
You know what I'm excited about? I'm excited about getting this flooring project done so we can tie a bow around that and bring in all the equipment about this. The Crocus Foundation, tell us a little bit about that. Kim founded that?
Yep, so Kim founded it in memory of her father, who unfortunately passed away from cancer himself. So the Crocus Foundation is actually what will support our cancer patients going through the treatment and rehabilitation plan that we create for them. It's one of the biggest financial burdens that they go through during their treatment and everything, so we just want to mitigate that as much as possible.
Here, see? Oh, this is it. We gotta get it on flat.
There.
Yeah.
Look at that. And look at that.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Wow. Just look at it, Danny.
I am, Joe.
Okay. Flooring job is El Finito. Now we are heading to Wilton, Iowa. And we are going to go to Carnival. And we're going to spread all kinds of fun and love and excitement with all the children and faculty members. Oh, here comes Danny. Ah! Get the hell out of here.
In typical Joe fashion, he's running late. Carnival starts in 2 hours and 10 minutes, and he's 2 hours away.
We gotta go. We're going to be late. I can already hear Casey pacing back and forth, wondering where we're at. Did that guy just hit that car? I didn't see anything. We gotta go. We gotta go.
They weren't working for us at 1 mile an hour.
Randoms.
Get this show on the road before they open up the doors. There's going to be a winner every round here, no tickets to play, and we're giving away a monster Lego set for the grand champion. Heat for second here. Who's next? Pick a car. Let's go. We got to get this first race off the ground here. We're going to speed it up. 7 miles an hour. Here we go. Tight race. This winner is
Layla, what do you think Chino's up to?
That's awesome. Take everything that I just assembled back off. Don't forget to put your plastics on. Right on my toe. One repair done.
I'm glad he won his battle with that Nordic track. Now let's go to Fit Fest.
It is Fit Fest Friday. Fit Fest Eve. We're finally on the road to the Quad Cities, back to the Quad Cities, I should say, to the TBK Center. We gotta get this all set up today because Fit Fest starts tomorrow. Welcome to the TBK Sports Center. We love these guys here. We do a lot of their maintenance upstairs in the fitness center up there. Wonderful facility. So this is a perfect spot to host Fit Fest 24. We got the whole thing, right? Yes. See, Chris? This is the guy. This whole thing is Chris's brainchild. Well, not the TBK Center.
Sure.
Right?
I'll claim it.
Okay, fine.
Sure, why not?
but for this weekend, the Fit Fest, QC Fit Fest is your brainchild.
Yes.
Tell us what we're going to see in 30 seconds or less, Chris.
Wow. A Treadmill Hero Cardio Challenge, pickleball tournament, basketball camp with former NBA player Dale Ellis, live yoga, live martial art demonstrations, and 40 amazing vendors like this one right here, Treadmill Heroes.
We got a lot to set up. Let's freaking go.
I'll get the light banner. Wing. The Chuggler! You gotta bring the Chuggler! Yeah, that was not gonna be good fun. Yeah, I wish it was playing music. You got problems, man.
Hey everybody, Mark with Treadmill Heroes. We just got done setting up for the 2024 Fit Fest here at the TVK Betplex Center. We got a nice spread of used equipment. We're going to have a nice giveaway, Life Fitness Elliptical. We have all used equipment here. Obviously this is not what we all have, but kind of a sample of what we got. So we're going to have a lot of fun. And over here, come on here. This is going to be the Treadmill Heroes Fitness Challenge. So you got to burn calories as a team, win a prize at the end. So we're going to be screaming at people all day tomorrow. If you got something going on, cancel it and come here. There's going to be a ton of vendors here. Stop by and check it out. Can't wait to see you.
Hi, my name is Camille Groves. I'm with Hotworks, the 24-hour infrared fitness studio. We have 12 different infrared sauna sessions to choose from, so come check us out. We'd love to share more about it. Hey, it's Camille again. Just want to let you know about Candy Cleanse, available for purchase at Hotworks, Bettendorf, and Moline.
Alright, Candy Cleanse is an all-natural cleanse where you can lose up to 5 pounds in 5 days naturally.
Came to Fit Fest today to try the Treadmill Heroes competition.
We ran into our buddy Jared.
Richmond Elite Performance. At our gym, we specialize in training a lot of youth, high school, college athletes. So
get your body right. Go see Jared.
Thanks, sir. Yep, thank you, man.
We're with our friend Brad here at the Level Bar. Yeah, so Level Bar, we got 5 different products, and what makes our barbells different is we have a small insertion in the middle where we place a construction bubble level. So anytime you're using a straight bar, you're using complete symmetry.
Wow, what an amazing weekend here at the Quad City Fit Fest. Another great turnout, so much fun, wonderful vendors, and there again, Treadmill Heroes is just so happy to have been asked to be part of this event. We hope many more to come. For all of you guys who made it out to the Fit Fest this weekend, thank you and congratulations for having a good time yourself as well. And remember, don't just be super duper.
I just heard about an award that Gems from the Attic got. Let's go see Steph.
How are you, buddy?
Oh, hey, oh boy, we got the brass from town coming in. You? Good to see you.
Good, okay.
Perfect.
That's one of the better pictures.
Great.
Because when you got Joe, you know you're going to get a good picture.
Yeah.
Put it in the paper. This is yours.
That's mine now.
I'm taking that.
Okay.
Like,
You're right, that you do get.
Yeah, because normally you'd see it like
worth even more too, because yeah.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
it's huge.
Well, yeah, because it's both the high school and
Yeah.
And the elementary. So if you go stand up, you should take them off.
there's an upstairs.
Be super duper.